What if I told you your New York auto shop could explode overnight? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. Online marketing is the secret engine revving all America's best shops. Imagine your phone blowing up with customers while competitors stay stuck in old-school silence. Picture sleek ads driving through Times Square, catching eyes and pulling wallets. Your shop, once just a corner garage, turns into NYC's go-to pit stop. Here's the twist. It's not about spending tons. It's about smart, laser-focused moves. SEO, targeted ads, and killer reviews rocket your rank in Google. Local customers, they find you first. You get busy, busy, busy. Feeling invisible? Time to shine bright. Fear of tech? America's best shops guide you step by step. No jargon, just results. Ready to dominate NYC's auto scene? Don't just fix cars, build a legendary brand. What's your next move to skyrocket your shop today?